Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase the items that have been delivered by the ordering machine. Mine just came in, as you can see, and so I'm just going to select this button. So don't start new order yet, because we also have other arrived store items. Now, if you want to purchase it, you are able to purchase it now, so don't start new order yet, or else you'll have to wait another week. So these are the items that came with the sofa. So I think I actually just want to purchase the sofa, but you can purchase other items too before hitting start new orders. Just none of these really um intrigue me, I guess. So I'm just going to start a new order here. Place new order. It says arrive store items will be removed and then place new order. So again, this will be removed if you don't purchase it now. So next time the store items arrive in the ordering machine, it will be different, I think. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. This video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.